Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app so friend discovery works. Update Dream11 and sign in with the account you use most. This avoids duplicate profiles. Once done, grant contact and social permissions in your phone settings so the app can scan for friends. Next, open the app and tap the profile or social icon. This is where Friend Tools live. You do this first because permissions and the correct account are the foundation. Without them, the next steps won't find anyone. You now actively look up people. Tap Friends, then search. Type a name or paste a phone number to pinpoint someone quickly. If you sync contacts earlier, check the suggested list. Dream11 will flag matches from your address book. To connect, send an in-app request or share the invite link through WhatsApp or SMS so they can join your contests. Make sure to check mutual confirmation. Invitations require the other player to accept before they appear in your friend list. You finish by confirming connections and using them. Once a friend accepts, add them to private or practice contests and use the group invite to coordinate lineups. If the friend doesn't appear immediately, pull to refresh the friend screen or reopen the app. Sometimes a quick reload solves sync delays. If problems persist, resync contacts, clear the app cache, or log out and log back in. These steps force a fresh sync and usually resolve most visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.